What's up, YouTube? Grizzly Gamer here, and today I bought my wife a couple gifts. She kind of already knows what they are. They are from GameStop, so I'll let her take it away.
Alright, and then after we're done with this video, I'm going to let him open one early since I kind of got one early. So it's from GameStop. So it is another ad icon because I'm like obsessed with mystery minis now. And
It's true.
the Pokemon box, which we just went and picked it up. And the lady's like, "What are you talking about? Pokemon? I don't have any Pokemon box here." My husband was like, "What the heck do you mean you don't got a Pokemon box for me?"
Well, and then she almost tried to tell me that she sold it, and I would have blown a fucking fuse if that was the case.
Yeah. What do you mean? Go take somebody else's and sell it to me right now.
Yeah. Especially when we put money down on it.
Yeah. Well, you put money down. So it's supposed to include all of this: Squirtle, Flocked, Pikachu Flocked, 4 buttons, a Squirtle sticker, a Bulbasaur sticker, a Squirtle keychain. That's weird that it randomly has. No, wait, that is Squirtle, isn't it? He looks different. This one's like really blue, and this one's like turquoise. Isn't that weird?
Oh yeah.
He looks more like Bulbasaur in a picture because he's like the Bulbasaur color. Anyway, it is Squirtle, so Squirtle sticker, Squirtle keychain, Pikachu sticker, Pikachu keychain, and then 4 buttons with Charmander, Pikachu, Bulbasaur, and Squirtle. That does. Squirtle's butt's hanging out too. Squirtle. Where's my Squirtle from? I'm a Pikachu from. I just love Pikachu. And then we got, these are like some heavy keychains. Feel that, Aunt?
Oh, that's heavy as fuck.
Hey, Zane, come on, buddy. Get Zane, please, bud. Our cat Zane trying to steal the show.
Yeah.
Come on, bud. Zane, please. Maybe
Zane.
you're gonna have to pick him up. Just put the phone down real quick. Pause it and put the phone down. Yeah, I didn't feel like editing it, so we just paused it.
Yes.
All right. So yeah, we got our stickers, our 4 pins, these heavy keychains, which they're put in here backwards, though, so you can't really see them. But you have to figure it out. Yeah, I'll just open it myself. There's Squirtle. Oh, that's really nice.
Oh yeah, that it really is. That Squirtle looks awesome, flocked.
Yeah, I don't know which one I like better, because I love Squirtle and I love Pika. Pika. And then we'll see the Pikachu one. This one has a little lightning bolt attached to it, so that's really cool.
Yeah.
And then we will do the blind box. And there's a lightning bolt up here, see?
Oh, that's his tail.
Isn't it?
Yep, that's his tail.
Oh, the tail's over here.
No.
Here, that's his tail right here.
Which lightning ball are you talking about?
The one on here.
Oh.
Top there, too.
Oh, that's dope.
So I was like, what are you talking about? There's a lightning bolt. So it's because he's probably setting off lightning.
Yeah.
That would have been cool if Squirtles came with like water.
Yeah.
Like a burst of water or something.
That was going to be my next question. Why didn't Squirtle come with the bubble?
Alright, so we're going to put this back. I'd never be able to get them back in place. Okay. Let's see how big this is. It does a thing. Yeah, but we had these on pre-order for a bit. Right when we saw it on the sign, we were like, oh, we're getting that.
Yeah.
They had the advertisements up. Our GameStop didn't even have the advertisement we got. So we got that lovely thing, and then we got this mystery mint. So, where are they? Oh, I moved them over here. We already have Bob's Big Boy, Bazooka Joe, and Frankenberry. I am hoping for the Tootsie Owl, Mr. Kool-Aid, the Kool-Aid Man, Boo Berry, or Yummy Mummy, or the Sprout. Not the Green Giant, but the Sprout. The Sprout's cuter. Which one are you hoping for?
Lucky the Leprechaun.
Is Twix on here? How could you not have the Twix raspberry? Blasphemy.
You know, I Toucan Sam either. I personally probably would not care.
I mean, you like Count Chocula too.
Yeah. As long as we don't get a duplicate, I can give 2 shits of a fuck less what we fucking get.
All right, let's see. I think I have an idea what it is. Is it the Tootsie Owl? It's Blueberry.
It's Booberry.
I love Blueberry. He's a 1 in 36. So that was pretty good.
What was the rarest one?
The Sprout.
Which is a 1 in
72 and
wow.
Chad.
We'll be right back after these messages.
Yeah, but it's Fruit Brute and the Sprout. Those are the most rare ones. Those are the rarest ones that are. See, look. Show it.
Yeah.
But Blueberry's up there. He's like the third most rare one.
That's cool.
Him and the Magic Fruit Pie. All right, so I'm going to join him in the cabinet with the other ad icons. And 11, because 11's my only one right now.
Stranger Things.
I need Steve. All right. I thought it was going to be the Tootsie Owl. It's kind of shaped like that. All right, anyway. As I throw the box. That is mainly it for my video. I'm going to go ahead and let him play Chase Roulette with this one. We will make a separate video, so be on the lookout. It should be up shortly after this one.
All right, so this has been Grizzly Gamer, and as always, keep that collection growing, stay positive, and most importantly, stay the fuck away from scalpers. Grizzly Gamer, signing out.